Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we have Feluke and his band, the Pheonix, still here. But tell us quickly about the EP and the show that you have coming up.
The EP Insight will be released on the 28th of this month. And the show to help somebody go to Mexico to get the same help I got will be on November 24th. Yeah, so those are the two wonderful things.
What motivated you to do that show? Tell us a little bit more.
It's for somebody specific?
No.
It's just for anybody.
Colon cancer, but you send in the information and we'll send it to the people in Mexico.
Oh, okay.
And then
for somebody who needs it. All right, well, right now we're going to have a performance by
That's
Feluke
amazing.
and the Pheonix. I mean, music time.
Take us out, take us out, take us out.
The sweetest part of a fall is getting up. So don't you ever stay down. Never ever. We fall down, but we get up. We fall down, we get up. We fall down, but we get up. For a saint is just a sinner who fell down and got up. We fall down, we get up. We fall down, we get up. We fall down, we get up, Lord, Lord, Lord. For a sin is just a sinner who fell down and got up. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Our Father who art in Zion, please hear our cry. I woke up with a smile on my face, and a song was there on my mind. You keep us safe and sound. That's when I realized that I've got to keep my song alive. We've got to keep our souls alive. We've got to keep our souls alive. We've got to keep our souls alive. We're singing, oh gosh, we're singing love. See the congregation dancing and singing loud. We're singing, oh gosh, yes, we're singing loud, 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 loud. See the congregation dancing, playing and singing loud, loud, loud. I've got to keep my soul alive. We've got to keep our souls alive. And if you start a revolution, keep your souls alive. If you want to start this revolution, keep your souls alive. And the revolution starts November 24th. We're helping someone else. See? And if you want to start this revolution, we've got to stop this confusion. And if you want to start this revolution, we've got to stop this confusion. Now I'm speaking with the voice of the people, looking through the eyes of we government. Them never take we serious, cause we can never make up our minds. I'm speaking with the voice of the teachers, looking through the eyes of the students. It seems like we could never learn, how we never really wait our turn. You want to start a revolution. You got to stop us forever. You got to stop this confusion. Now, we must get up, stand up. That no mean we must pin up and strap up. Everybody have to live, yes, them have a right. And everybody want to talk without to start a fight. Let us show some love, no matter race, color, or creed. Everybody deserve a decent meal. And I don't really care how you feel. Let's build this world so it can stand on its feet. You have to start a revolution. We've got to stop this confusion. And if you want to start this revolution, we've got to stop this confusion. Jerusalem, yes, it starts again. Nobody wants to be a friend. Gaza is now a battlefield, and the kids them dying for real. Hey, stop it. They've got feelings. Stop it. We've got feelings too. Ouch, 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 ouch,
Thank you for tuning to another Daytime Live. Nisha in here, Duffy. I don't know what she's singing, but remember to tune in on Friday. More chat, more buzz, more. That's nice, more fun. Please, mix and vibes. You're going to get out on Friday. Send me your Daytime Live shout outs. It's always a good vibe right here on TVJ. And right to say,
Hey!
out loud.